Hello everyone, welcome to part 100 of Laravel 11 series, in which we are getting the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So this is the last part of coupon codes, and in this part we are going to apply coupon at shopping cart. Okay, so in the last part we have seen that we able to validate the coupon, we able to validate with different conditions. Okay, so the user must met with all the conditions of the coupon to apply the coupon. Okay, so finally we are going to apply the coupon now, and you can follow the instructions under video, and these are the instructions we are going to follow few more instructions, and step by step we are going to apply the coupon. Okay, so first thing is that we are going to get the total amount. Okay, so in the apply coupon function we need to make sure that we have the total amount. So here we are already calculating the total amount. Here you can see that we have the total amount, so that we can calculate the coupon discount amount. Okay, so that's why we require the total amount. Okay, so after this, then this part we are going to write now apply coupon if coupon code is correct. So we are going to add this code, check if coupon amount type is fixed or percentage. If amount type is fixed, then we are going to straight away subtract that discount. Otherwise, if the amount type is percentage, then we are going to calculate the coupon amount. Okay, that is the subtotal into that percentage of coupon, like the 10%. Like if the subtotal is 100, then 100 into 10% of 100. Okay, means 100 into 10 divided by 100, that will be the coupon discount will be 10 rupees, means 10, and the final amount is 90. 100 minus 10, 90. Okay, so I hope that this thing you already must know about these kind of maths. Okay, so here I'm going to copy this one, and finally we are going to apply this one, and we'll send the success message along with the that total amount, with the coupon discount total amount, and also we are going to show the message like coupon code successfully applied, you are availing discount, and this message we are going to show at the card page to the user. So for that we are going to update the custom.js file once again, and that we have already updated last time. Like we are showing the print error message, we are also going to show the print success message, and the same message we are showing here as well. Like for the print success message we are going to show the success message there. Okay, so this one we have already done, and now the thing is that we are going to show the card items. Like we are going to show that subtotal, grand total. Okay, and with the coupon discount. Okay, so this one we are going to show, and here after the form. Okay, okay, so I'm going to close this one like this, and there is another div that we are going to add here. This one complete div I'm going to add here after this. Okay, so after this one I'm going to add another div here, and here you can see I'm going to close this one like this. Okay, and now I'm going to try, and we'll apply the test 10 coupon here, and we'll see whether it will apply the coupon or not. Okay, so here I'm going to try here, and here you can see the subtotal coupon discount that is coming. And once again I'm going to check here that I think one empty is required. Okay, yeah, one empty is required, so that's why it must go come at here at the right side. One empty div is required. Yes, now it is coming, seems to be fine. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the test 10 coupon. You click on apply. So some error message has come once again, and we need to find that what error message exactly. Okay, so once again we need to modify this one with the we are showing this one header card item, but there is no header card item. We need to add, in fact, mini card header card item we are using with last e-commerce series, so that's why. And here it must come the we used to modify in every series. We need to modify our code so that it will look perfect. Okay, so now we will try once again. I'm going to refresh. So now we are going to apply that test 10 coupon once again. So yes, the coupon code successfully applied, you are avail in discount, and here you can see the coupon discount 10% off subtotal, that is 135, subtotal is 1350, and coupon discount is 135, and grand total is 1215. So it seems to be perfect. Okay, so one more thing we are going to do, like if the user updates his card, then at that time coupon discount must go away, so that the user is required to apply the coupon once again. So we need to forget the session. So here we are adding the coupon amount and coupon code in session, so that we can pick this and we'll take it to the order. But we need to destroy the session for these if in case the user modifies the card. Okay, so we need to make sure that we will forget the session, okay, at that time. So for that we are going to update few functions here, like update card item quantity, and here we are going to forget the session, and we are going to modify the add to cart function as well. And here also we are going to modify this the coupon section once the user add more products to the cart, and in the delete card item as well we are going to modify the sessions for the coupon. We are going to destroy the session for the coupon once the user delete any of the card item. Okay, so let's see now. Suppose the user updates the card, going to refresh it, and now we are like user updates the quantity to. So see here, now the full amount is coming, user is required to apply the coupon once again, because here we can't make promise to the user that the coupon will still valid, because there may be some condition that may will not work. So that's why user is required to apply for the coupon once again, and see the coupon discount have come up once again with the updated total coupon discount. Okay, so like if we will make it once again, then this will coupon discount will go away. Okay, so once again I'm going to apply for test apply test 10. Okay, so it's working fine. Now if in case the user adds for some other product, then in that case once again we are going to update the card. Here the user is required to apply for the coupon once again. See, we will go to the card, and here you can see the coupon is not there, so the user is required to apply for the coupon once again. So here you can see the user is required to apply, user applied the coupon, now it's working fine. But now see, if the user deletes the item, then once again the coupon code will go away. See, you like want to delete this card item, yes, okay, so the that item is gone away, and here the coupon discount is also gone away. Okay, so the user is required to apply for the coupon once the card updates by the user. Okay, so I hope that you can able to do this at your end as well, and from the next part we will proceed to the checkout page. Okay, and finally we'll finish this series very soon. And to get this complete source code, you can join as a member. See, always subscribe this channel. First of all, just open the youtube.com/techdevelopers and subscribe this channel. So this is the fast moving channel. We are the first one to develop the Laravel series whenever the new version of Laravel comes. Okay, so so please join for getting all the latest things in Laravel. So please subscribe to get all the latest updates. Okay, all the updates, and always join the channel to get the complete source code of any of the series, so that it will really help you to move further, so that you will not stuck anywhere, and I will make sure that you will not stuck anywhere once you will join the channel. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye. And one more thing, that I'm going to put the 100 videos of source code. So now we have covered up till 100 videos, so I'm going to put it here in the sidemakers.in website, where you will find all the website codes as well. Okay, so that will really help you in your own website. So so you are just required to click on download, and here part 1 to 15, now the part 1 to 100 will also be available to the members. Okay, so make sure that you will join as a member and can download the complete source code. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.